Hi guys, welcome to Try It and Test It. I'm Karen, and in today's video we're going to be trying and testing one of these viral beauty home remedies using natural ingredients. Now, there are many of us out there who browse through the internet and search for methods to improve on your skin complexion, to brighten under eye dark circles, to brighten the dark spots on your skin, to increase the length of your hair faster, to reduce belly fat, and the list is never ending. And you also see that there are n number of articles and videos that speak of using very basic home ingredients to achieve all of these. Now, if you ever come across any of these videos and you scroll through the comment section, you see that a minority of them claim that this remedy has actually worked on them, and then you see a majority who say that they will update, but they just go missing in action and you never hear from them. I'm going to be doing a bunch of these videos to test out and see if these methods actually work, and also to capture the results on camera for you guys to see as well. What we're going to do right now is we're going to use one of these natural home remedies, and this one claims that it will make your skin glow in a few seconds. Let's find out what ingredients are used and how to go about with it. Oh, also one more thing, right now my skin is glowing because it's really oily, and the humidity in Mumbai is crazy right now, so my skin is actually oily. It does not have that healthy glow, but let's actually use this method to see if my skin achieves that healthy glow. So for this method we're going to take a bowl, and to the bowl you add a teaspoon of honey. Now you also add a few drops of milk to this and give it a quick mix until the milk dissolves in the honey. Now here I've cleansed my face with just water, and I'm going to take this mix that we just prepared and use a cotton pad to apply it on my face. Please ignore weird facial expressions. So anyway, I'm going to apply this evenly all over my face now. Now, honey is the main ingredient that is said to nourish your skin, giving you that radiant glow, and milk is essential to not only cleanse your skin but also improve the texture. Now, post application of this mix, we need to massage it into our skin for a good 3 minutes, and then we can go ahead and wash it off with cold water. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like after using this remedy, and I must say that it has left a slight glow, a healthy one this time. It's also left my skin feeling a little cleaner than what it was. Yeah, this remedy has worked a bit on me. So what we need to see is that if this glow remains for a longer period or if it's just there for a short time. Now that this one worked on me, I'm quite eager to try the other home remedies that are there. So what you guys can do is you guys can try it out too, and let me know in the comment section if this has worked for you. But for those who have sensitive skin, I recommend to do a patch test before you can go ahead and apply it on your entire face. And that's it for today's video. So if you want to see more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.